Okay, number 5 and 6, and we might as well take 7 too at the same time. 3 of you. Okay, we're going to have 3 gentlemen. 5, 6, and 7. Remember, you're impressing the judges. We got 3 this time because there's an odd number. Remember, keep your eye on the judges. Don't look at each other. And you're right, it works better with short